The story of Ras Pompy, from teenage sensation to Zimdancehall mainstay. The Zimdancehall movement has given rise to countless stars, but few burst onto the scene with the same youthful energy and raw talent as Ras Pompy. Born Nyasha Reginald Mano, this Harare-born artist's journey is a microcosm of the genre itself, full of infectious rhythms, relatable stories, incredible highs, and poignant challenges. The young lion. An early reign. Ras Pompy's career started remarkably early. He was just a teenager, some reports say as young as 13, when his distinct voice and impressive lyrical flow caught the attention of the country. This era was crucial for Zimdancehall, and Pompy quickly became one of the genre's most promising young talents. He was a staple at Chill Spot Records, the Mbare-based hub that essentially created the sound of modern Zimdancehall. His early hits, like Enzira Zavakoma, The Ways of the Elders, resonated powerfully, establishing him as a young voice speaking to the complexities of ghetto life and youth culture. His style was marked by a youthful, distinct vocal delivery, catchy, sing-along choruses, songs that crossed over, appealing to both the streets and the mainstream. Tracks like Style and Pattern, Tashavarira, and Change Gia became anthems, ensuring his place in the Zimdancehall Hall of Fame before he was even a legal adult. He even toured internationally, a huge feat for a young artist from Mbare. The evolution of the sound. As Pompy matured, so did his sound. His youthful energy transitioned into the focused delivery of an established artist. In more recent years, he has continued to drop tracks that keep his name relevant, demonstrating an ability to adapt to new rhythms and production styles. His discography is filled with collaborations and standout singles that prove his versatility, ranging from conscious tunes to lighter, dance-focused tracks. Songs like Bipa Radofamba, Musite Iyoyo, and Skin to Skin showcase the depth and variety of his continued work. A crucial conversation. The recent headlines. No discussion of Ras Pompy is complete without addressing the recent headlines. In late 2025, the musician was convicted and sentenced for possession of illegal controlled substances, cough syrups often abused as recreational drugs. This news was a stark reminder of the serious substance abuse crisis currently plaguing many communities and, sadly, affecting several high-profile figures within the entertainment industry. While the legal outcome is a personal setback for the artist, his situation has ignited a necessary and often difficult conversation across Zimbabwe. 1. The pressure of fame. The immense pressure on artists, particularly those who achieve fame very young, and the support systems, or lack thereof, available to them. 2. The drug crisis. A spotlight on the societal problem of drug abuse and the need for greater public health and intervention strategies. 3. Redemption and second chances. The hope that an artist with his talent and background can use this experience as a catalyst for a positive return to music and become a voice against drug abuse. What next for Ras Pompy? Ras Pompy's musical impact on Zimdancehall is undeniable. He is a trailblazer who showed that young talent could achieve national stardom. The focus now shifts from his past achievements to his future path. Fans in the industry will be watching closely, hoping to see the star emerge with renewed focus, ready to pick up the microphone and use his powerful platform not just for entertainment, but for positive social messaging, reminding everyone that talent and redemption can walk hand in hand. We wish Ras Pompy strength and look forward to the music he will undoubtedly create in his next chapter. What is your favorite Ras Pompy track? Share your memories in the comments below.